Greetings to Sir HANIS and my fellow classmates. I am Leon, metric number 278038. We're going to present the final product for the Barterit application. So as you can see right now, show the Butter items where we are going to display all the items available, regardless of if we are having an account or not. So as you can see right now, we can see the webcam available, apart from the other tools that are available too. So for the next part is that for the items for buttering, we need to register an account. And for the butter screen, we need to log in or register in order to access the screen. So in the user profile, as you can see right now, it will be default stated as unregistered, unknown as, or the random number as a default account. So we need to log into the new account so that we can access to the other main features of the Barterit. So as you can see right now, the current items available are shown as follows, which means that for example, if let's say if we want to exchange a webcam, for example, so we'll click on this and it will display all the personal details on the details of the item, and it can also provides with the items images that are available based on the 3 images uploaded before. So you can see the phone, WhatsApp, message, map features on the application, and we can also select the number of quantities to be buttered. So first of all, as you can see right now, we are going to first of all, we are going to the butter part where we are going to see the, for example, the give receive items. We can either delete, we can also check out individually, but we can also directly check out by clicking on this part. So when we click on this part, you can see access to the bill where the online banking payment will be done as at the Barterit via bill, please. So we can either choose whether to successful or fail payment. So in this case, we are going to ignore this part and we're going to proceed with the butter exchange. So as you can see right now, the Logitech webcam, we were going to, like example, we need to see the details of the application. So we are going to, like example, I want to add 1 or 2 items. So I'm going to butter for that item. So you can see right now the item we will get in exchange the item from the seller by exchanging the item for butter via the application. For example, the Casio calculator. So we will proceed with the next part where the retail price will be 25 ringgit for both sides. So no payment will be needed. So we are going to proceed with the transaction. So it will pop out the confirm trade item. So it will going to click yes, and yeah, the transaction has been successful. And next, we are going to proceed with the user profile part where the update username will be displayed, update password, update phone, and update address. And since we already have the account, so the new registration and login buttons were disabled. In the other way, if the profile settings stated that the user account is nothing, which means the default user where the user did not register their account, the new registration and login icon will be displayed while the rest of the other parts would remain null. So for example, we need to update password, so we can set our old and new password on this part. So we can choose whether to add the old or new password in this part. So we are going to see. If let's say if we already barter the items that are already available, so there are no orders available as in this case, since we already barter with the other items. So that's all from me. Thank you.